Hey ladies, how about a tutorial on the bubble bun? I'm doing this one without any elastics. Throw out those damaging elastics and let's do an easy bun. Now I'm doing it on curly hair, but this is perfect for straight hair as well. We're gonna gather it up in a high pony, double it over. We're gonna take the ends here and give them some good swirls around, wrapping it around the center of the base of our ponytail. Now we're gonna go right in the very center of this bun. See how we have that loop? And we're gonna take our flexi flip and insert right through the loop. Be sure you have this pin right along the scalp and you're gathering scalp hair while you insert the fancy part, the beaded part of the flip into your hair. Come out the other side, hook it together right there. Now we have our bun. Ta-da! Make it big, make it small, make it however you want it, and why not fancy it up? Here I have our Misty flip, and I can put it in just as a little bit of bling. How many of you all like just a little bling in the hair? Add just a little bit of bling. You can smooth this out. You can make it a little bit of fluffier. You can do whatever you want, but there you have it. There is the easy, simple, elastic-free bubble bun.